Well, the trailer cracked. Seems like we're gonna do a trailer rebuild sooner than I thought. Here is kind of okay. Over here, look here closely. These two pieces here separated, so there's a gap right in front of my finger here. So, well, we're gonna see if we can bend it back and put the box back in for now. Maybe this wasn't a too good idea to use this, but we're going to try to straighten this up. Yeah, but it is what it is. Yeah. This is a raft I built weeks ago, or it's the bottom of a little raft. So this piece broke off when I was lifting in it because apparently this part wasn't screwed. We're going to have to look at that, and we're putting a deck on this and having it in the lake. How I'm going to get this back, I am going to detach the trailer and reverse the machine back, because there's barely any room for reversing the machine, and since the trailer is so light I can easily lift it. So that should not be a problem. Like that. And we're just gonna put this on the side here. Maybe. We can step there. And I lift here. Maybe a bit better. I'm gonna fix it when I get to the shop. And tension belts. Well, I'm gonna put this on the side here so I can get the machine moved away. Yeah. Well, this is pretty much ready to be put in the water and see if it floats. It might be not floating. These should float, but as always when things should float, they don't always float. Well, it's kind of working. It's floating right here. Now I'm gonna move the camera out so you can see it if it sinks. We're trying to move it under this yeti or pier or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Raft is successfully moved into place, kind of. it's a little low water here, but I'm gonna keep it here for now. I'm gonna go have dinner and we'll see if it's still here when I get back. Yeah, this really needs to be somewhere where it's deeper so that it floats. We're going to move it again later. Maybe today, maybe another day. I think honestly I might want to put it here. Between here, maybe. I don't know, it's a bit deeper there. Or I could move it further out, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna go have dinner, as I said. Well, I kinda got to a couple. That's not a very good angle. I kinda got to a little issue here. The raft does not float with me on it. I'm like 52 kilos, so not so heavy. For not heavy at all, I guess, because I'm like 50. I'm 15. Here. Now it kind of floats. It's a little too shallow here. But this is now it's on the bottom. And it's not just that it's the water is too shallow here. I had it here where it's deeper, and I stepped on it, and it sank to the bottom like a stone. Well, that's an issue, but listen, when I decided to put this here, I had never built a raft before. Maybe this isn't the optimal choice of pontoons, but the pontoons are bought like pontoons, but they're supposed to be double on each side, and they're like 5 meters long and insanely heavy though, but they were used on the floating dock or raft, kind of floating bridge out there. I don't know what to call it really, before we got new ones for that. So leftovers, and I was tired of having this stuff laying in my yard, so I decided to build a little raft. Haven't cost me a single euro or a penny at all. Nothing, totally free. So I call this a win anyway. I can go out here, we can fish. I'm happy.